Akira! Akira! We're running Akira!
Hi guys, so dito na kami sa kabilang room, sa connecting room na dun sa katabi namin. Dito naman sina Lolo and Lola. Binigay na, so nabigay na yung room sa amin, and let's check it out inside, what's inside. Ayan, ayun. I think this one is specially for Lolo and Lola talaga. Just like dun sa kabila, ang ganda, ang laki. And look, all right. Wow! Tignan mo, meron na siyang... Ang ganda rin dito. Ang laki. Nasa kabila niyan sila. Huwag muna tayo maingay. Let's surprise them. Ay, ang ganda, Ate Aya.
Ito yung pananalala.
Magtakbuhan kami ni Tita Timo dito. Tignan mo naman. Ay, pero mas malaking doon.
Opo. Mas mahaba. Kasi dulo. Yun yung gusto namin.
Ay, dulo.
Kaya nire-request namin.
Kaya ni-request namin yun. Mas malaking banyo.
Ito walang ano.
Walang yung parang beach na ano. Pero malaki din.
Malaki, oo.
Kaya ayun yung ni-request namin. Ganito lang talaga yan.
The view. Ang ganda guys, ang lalaki nila, mga pang VIP talaga na room. Ang ganda, ang laki kasi first time namin dito. Yung mga rooms namin before, lagi yung mga regular na rooms. So, tingnan mo the view again. And, yan, para to kay Lola and Lola. Happy anniversary!
Kita yung ano, yung bundok. Ay, sorry.
Yep.
Kita yung bundok. Marayat yan ba yan?
Hi guys, look what I'm doing. Bago, so hinintay namin sina Lolo and Lola. We're gonna surprise them. But look who I have here. A special guest, Baby Bree. Kasama na siya sa vlog ngayon. Akala niya naka-double bed sa akin.
Say hi to the other camera. It's not filming. Oh. Give a heart. Key. Making some more. With her. Hey! Hey! Hi!
Nakita ko nun.
Where's that one?
Who's that one? Wait. I'm filming you, filming me. Are you a vlogger na?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oo, practice lang, practice lang. Happy anniversary, Lolo!
Happy anniversary! Happy
Happy anniversary, Lolo! Oh.
Hi, Lola! Lola, happy anniversary! Lola, happy anniversary!
Thank you.
Happy anniversary, Lola!
Okay guys, so we're going to have dinner. kaming mga little family. So where are we going to eat?
I don't know.
You don't know yet? Let's ask Lolo. She wants Enbu daw. What do I eat there?
Tempura.
Shoot, tempura. Again, you can. Why you like the tempura here?
Eugene.
Sinong Eugene? Eugene. Ayun yung mga pang-watch, Tita Sil.
Yes.
The super duper murang watch. Hindi, yung mga ano doon, branded.
Okay.
Yeah. Yun.
Kakasino muna po.
Sige,
para
pwede.
wala kami-
Eh kung bigla tayong may ano, ililibre tayo ni Ate Malu. Oh. Yung 500 pesos yung umabot ng 50,000. Baka same yung kanta, no? I don't wanna close my eyes. Where's Mom Lay? Where are we going to eat nga?
Texas.
What?
Texas.
Texas who said? Who told you pala?
Mommy.
Okay, so we're gonna take out then. Pabarote di ala po ita magantay ta. Thank you. Where's the mermaid? It is a mermaid. Where's Sebastian? Where's Sebastian? Okay, let's go. We're gonna get
We're under the sea, Daddy. Daddy, we're under the sea.
Yeah. So, kami take out na muna kami sa favorite ni Martina na Enbu while waiting sa Texas kasi puno. Daming tao eh kasi Friday night and then it's a fountain show, right?
Yeah.
So puno. There's your N blue. Ano yan? Appetizer.
Yeah, appetizer.
Yes. Walang peanuts?
Unlimited.
Peanuts.
Wala po sila binibigay, pero meron.
Okay. Kuya Kel. Appetizer. What are you eating? Again? What? Is it your favorite? Even not a cloud. Tita Det is already eating also. But I guess she's on a diet. Hindi kasi Tita Det, ano din eh, no? Parang busog pa tayo sa kanina eh. Nangako. Sorry Ate Miko. Sorry for disturbing you. Kuya Jello. Yes, yo, busog. Ay, wow! May alcohol? Meron? Wala. Cocktail. Whoa, mocktail. Hi guys. Thank you. Ha?
We're at sa Okada dinner. Look, oh. Mermaid. Wow. Social may mermaid. What?
Oh, is that your dad's Oslo?
Yes.
Hi.
Oh.
Oh, pag nag-vlog ka? Ay, wow. Look, it's so nice. This is the new one, Martina.
The pocket what? The pocket
No,
for?
man.
What's that? The pocket for?
No, it's pocket 3. That one's pocket 2.
Let's try it. Look, oh guys, a pocket 3.
So,
Rock and roll. We're gonna go swimming tomorrow. Not today, but I was watching kanina
So, how
Okada
am I going?
also. And our next Okada, and the first Okada, the second Okada, and the third Okada, guys. And
alam mo yung
then,
pinapaingat lang sa akin ni Kuya Jerry.
I'm a legend. Say hi.
Ay, lapit naman. What? Are you vlogging? Hi, you're a vlogger?
Yes.
Oh wait, you asked me a question. Interview me.
What's your name?
I'm Chelsea.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink.
What is your age?
I'm 18.
I thought you're 19.
Sabi mo, what's your age? I'm 18 na ko. I'm 19, you're right.
Tingnan nga natin.
1, 2,
Wow! 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 Ayan! Si Ate Ellen, may Sharon tayo. Oh, Lola Rose! Lola Rose, talo ka kay Ate Ellen.
I'm Donya.
You're Donya.
Just
Okay,
Donya,
now.
not Donya.
You're not Donya. But we're gonna go to the fountain show. Lagi naman kami nanonood. Yeah. We always watch the fountain show kasi it's fun and it's nice. Yeah, pamatay ng ano to, Okada. Wait, tingnan nga natin to. They're so cute, some stuffies. Cute. Okay, let's hurry up. We need to go outside. Oh, there's Sinandera. Yeah. The show is about to start. Yeah. Sige. When it's about to start na. We're sa Ate Ellen na natin malayo. Nandiyan para manonood kayo.
hello vlog.
Ay, wow. Alam nyo guys, hindi ko lang na video. Yeah, before kami umakyat dito, nakapag-shopping na si Dade, si Lolo. Oh. Siya na ang unang first budol of the night, of the day. Lolo bought a Ray-Ban shades. Aviator Classics. Ito siya. Yan, Aviator Classics. Can I see, Mami? It's an Aviator shades. Binili niya sa Eye Society. And they gave Lolo a freebie. Ang ganda. They gave Lolo a freebie Ganito. And look at what Lolo bought. Chedeng, it's a classic one. Ang ganda, aviator. Let's check it out. Poging-pogi si Lala dita.
I thought you were gonna call your Lola Edna. So
Ay, yeah, we gonna talk to ano. Chedeng! Ang ganda ng kulay. Ela pumilala ko keng si Denny de. Dadi. Eh, kinain din na? Oo nga. You need to try it, Lolo. Yun!
Oh my gosh!
Yun! Pero hindi po siya politician, guys. Ang bango naman na. Decaf yan. So, ano yung may choices? Diyan?
Merong ito hindi ito dito. Pero ito merong red.
Wow, check. Oh, Macy. So, ito yung mga coffee nila. And you're going to put it here
Baliktad.
para ma-brew yung kape.
Baliktad. Hindi, baliktad.
Wow, para ma-brew yung coffee. Ang galing. So, guys, ngayon ko tutuloy yung aking tour. Dahil hindi matuloy-tuloy kanina. Dahil ang saya namin. Marami kami. So, tignan mo. Yung nakuha naming room is dalawa siyang, ano tong kanto? Executive room. Dalawa siyang executive room. Hi, Ate Faith. Dalawa.
Nakalink yung room.
Yes, so connecting yung rooms. So if you can see, itong haba na to, yan, that's their room. Hi, Ate Ayana. Yan yung haba nito. Connecting siya. So may pinto siya dun sa magiging room namin nila Lolo.
I think it's 25 meters.
Yun. So, ilalakad natin to. Makikita natin gano'ng kahaba. Ayan, guys. Ayan. So, dito yung sa unang room kanina. Di ba yung pinasukan? Hi, boys. Hi, Tita Nix. Okay. And now, so doon. Yung maganda nilang ano. Wow. Sorry. Ayan. Good night, Tita Nix. Tomorrow na lang. Good night.
6 o'clock?
Yeah. May pag-chat.
6 or 5:30.
Kayo kasi mag-IKEA tayo ng 9:39. So, tansyahin natin. Kahit ano lang naman eh. Kung ano lang naman na ma-pick up natin, oo.
Pero yung available treadmill doon, dalawa.
E di, wala bang parang recliner?
Dalawa.
Walang bike?
Isang bike.
Oh.
Ay, tatlong bike.
Oh, yun. We're gonna go for bike, siguro.
Wala ba silang toothbrush dyan?
So, yun. Ito yung room nila. That's this one. And, ito yung kusina, nga ay yung dining, sala, and that will be our room. See? Connecting, ano siya. See? Oh, di ba? Ito yung pinto. And if you're going to open it, voila! Ito naman ang room namin. Yan, ganyan siya. Oh. Ayun. Oh, there's Lolo and Lola. Napagod si Lola, knockout. And Lola is waiting for his coffee.
Hello. Good evening.
Lola is sleeping already.
Good morning.
Good morning. How was your sleep? You sleep what?
Early.
Wow, very good. Why, you got tired?
Yeah.
And now we're ready to go home.
No,
Going home na.
no, we're going to IKEA.
And then go home.
And then we're gonna sleep. I mean,
Sleep.
And then we're
Gonna go home.
No, we're going to IKEA and then we're gonna go swimming.
Yeah, we're gonna go home.
No, we're not. We're gonna go swimming.
And good morning, Ate Malu. Lolo, good morning.
Good morning.
Lola, good morning. This is our day 2 sa Okada. Hey, how about you? You need to, ano na, take a bath.
You know what? I'm gonna take a bath.
Lola, si Martin na daw magsiswimming siya dito. Magsiswimming daw siya sa bathtub.
Later na.
Oh, later daw. Ayun. Tingnan natin naman sa next room, sa kabilang room. Hi, good morning, Kuya Benny. Tito Nana, good morning. Good morning. How are, sa mga girls? Sa yung mga girls? Pumasok na, umalis na. Tita Mitch.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Umaga. Magandang buhay.
Oo nga. Kumusta yung second day?
Good.
Good?
Nilamig kami.
Kamukha mo naman din si Nayon. Hangi ka si Nayon. Uy, outfit check. Utatin tambay yung tao, Kenny. Santing nakatawan. Hi, Kuya. Kuya Kel. Kuya Gian. Kuya Gian. Oh, so how was our day? Manyaman tutod. Ito yung girls yung mga nandito, ah. Kel? Then girls? Ay, hindi na muna ako papasok. Mamaya lang ako mag-video. Tito Haga.
Hi, I like your shirt.
I'm Mayor Atienza. Mayor Atienza in the house.
Meron ban sa Mola Asia.
Merong?
Vans.
Ay, wow. Magmumuha tayo o IKEA lang?
Sabi ng IKEA yung
Kaya ang bridge siyam, di ba? Makahirit nga bang nagtitingin kayo sa IKEA?
sabi namin ako na kay IKEA. Di ba ng location?
Mamumuha ka, Tito Nonon. Nagano pa kami kagabi, Tito Nonon. Kami ni Regia. Nag-shot kami. Homework? Ah, nagkiquiz siya. Wow! Koy! Good morning! Uy, wow! Uy, 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 uy. Hi! Hari Maui. Make me sweat. Make me... Retouch na natin. Why you wear? Tiro me pa yachi mo. Ito ba, babe?
Hello.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
So productive.
Ari Feliz.
Starbucks.
Oh, early morning Starbucks. Bumaba kayo?
Cold. No, last night.
Last night. Ang laki. Wow. Naguli in order mo. Ay, wow. Ang ganda ng... Outfit check, yes. Dinner.
Pero breakfast pa lang.
Wow! Ogs nga? Oh,
Ano lang, think first. H&M.
mukhang Ogs, no? Wow.
Yung opa ngayon.
Wow, adapin opaya ka no eh. Outfit check. Bayong taho, may kapag-gym pa mo. Maya pa pini kayo. Kargado, Who's in here? Hi, hello, Marie Chelsea. Uy, nagre-retouch si Nayon. Hi guys, so we're going sa IKEA na. Everyone is all dressed up. Hi Kuya Julian.
Hey,
Had fun last night. Mga the hangover in real life. At Yaya, can I check out Baby Brie?
Later when...
Hi. Hi guys, so nakapag-park na and dito na kami sa IKEA. Ano ba to? IKEA o IKEA? Ayan. So, parking na. And dahil Saturday ngayon, maluwang. Hindi pa traffic. Hey man. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. So I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. There's Lolo. Daddy. Oh, Daddy's wearing the Ray-Ban. Yeah, I know. Daddy already showed me. Hi. You gonna look for ideas and designs?
Yes. Ay, actually, yung nasa cart na talaga yung desk na binibili ko para sa kanila.
Oh.
Hinihintay ko pa mag-sale.
Okay, okay.
May mga cart sa online.
Pero online mo nun. Saan mo pipick upin?
Kung may deliver, dito. Meron din dito. Pwedeng pick up or deliver. Yung deliver nga lang, medyo mahal yung shipping.
Wow. Alam ko yung shipping. Ano.
We're gonna eat first.
Toys. Gonna eat for ayan, Tito Aga, parang isa siyang ano nga. May chicken wings. Fika. Tita Sil, are you ready for your cravings? Swedish meatballs. Ano kung German meatballs siya? Wala palang fin.
Taste, I don't know.
Oo, meron. Ay, yaman-yaman.
Mas, syempre,
Sasabihaning Kelpin, sabi ko kung higit before na parang yung hotdog na ano, plant-based. Hindi masarap dito. Pero hindi ko alam. Titingnan natin.
plant-based kasi.
Oh, okay. Lola, Mami. Ay, wow!
Hello.
Sige. Martina, you're going to sit there? Wow! Ano ba yung nandyan?
So habang kumakain yung parents, pinapanood yung weekend.
Wow! Are you going to play there? Wow, ate, otlo ko. I think it's a puzzle or ano. So habang nag-i-eat daw kami, kids can actually play here.
Actually, habang nag-eat sila,
Pwede tayong maglaro. That's
sila magbabantay sa
sila yung magbabantay sa atin. Kayo, saan nyo nakakategorize sarili nyo?
dito.
Ay, wow! Sa kids kayo. Hoy, mabusbus ko bumbunan. Ay, wow, si Kuya. Kasya na yan. Kuha na ako ng isa. I want to get another one. Tita Mitch, kasya na rin grocery tayo. I'm gonna have the one with beans. Gusto ko yung may beans. Yung may beansan, yung chip, yung scrambled eggs. Ako big breakfast. I like the one with the with the beans. Ikaw, Kuya Julian.
Wala daw, wala daw.
Meatballs
Yung kaya naman yung
plant-based na. Oh, we got our chips here, we got our cake. Damn, kumako pa sa tayo. Ayan, Deo, cookies ni Lola. Hehehe.
Subukan tayo ni
Opo. Sige, sige. Sige, Dem, magkaya ko po. Yeah, we got our chips here. Tikman natin ang Swedish chips.
Isang chicken longganisa at isang big breakfast.
What else, ma'am?
Yun lang.
Chicken longganisa and what?
Big breakfast.
Okay. big breakfast. Thank you. Yes po, yun lang po. Thank you. Chicken longganisa, ma'am. Thank you. Okay. Yan.
Meron ano dito, chicken.
Kuha ko ng ano, I want this one.
Sige. May empanada.
Ako, vegetable medallion, nakakita ko eh. Kuha ka ng stick ko.
Gusto mo ng ano? Chicken empanada?
Ayoko. So what did you order, ma'am?
I ordered pasta pomodoro with salmon and vegetables.
So it's pasta?
Yes, it's pasta. It's brunch na kasi.
So can I see your card? Can I check out? We got coffee and you got okay. Look, mommy, it's a card. Yes, Julian at Yaya. Cecil, Dante.
I'm sad.
Oo nga. Bawi na lang next time. Bawi na lang next time dito, Sil.
Ito naman yung meat dito.
Lasa naman siyang meat nga. Yung plant-based nila. So it's like kind of effective naman yung ka-plant-based. Tita Nix. Tito Webe. Tita Nana.
Tapos may bagya. Yan.
Ay, wow, Lola!
Wala! Katakang pasboy kumanyan ka.
Smile, Lola, smile.
Hey! Who's in there sitting? Why are you Donya there?
No, I'm not done yet.
Brown is green.
May I see yours, Chelsea?
What? Oh,
Your pop. Labubu.
No.
Is that Labubu?
I bought Jujutsu Kaisen and
Ano yung sa'yo? Japanese?
Yeah.
Japanese?
This one is parang anime siya. From an anime to.
So iba-iba lahat yung sakop niya, no? Sabi ni Kuya John yung may Star Wars din.
Kaso wala to.
May? Ah,
May Avengers.
Avenger. Ay, may Star Wars nga yung sabi ni Kuya John. Ah, wala. What's, oh, wait, Martina.
Same
Ano?
kami ni Brie. May ganyan si Brie.
Si Brie? Asan yung sa'yo niyan dyan? Faith, anong kulay yung sa'yo?
Ay, wala
Hindi mo pa alam? Ay! So mag-unbox kayo mamaya?
Sure ko secret to.
Okay, what's your guess?
You're going to buy ano, Ate Feliz?
Yeah, we're gonna go ice. Martina, your phone.
Can I check Martina's ice cream? Oh! What's happening? Where's ice cream?
What's your ice cream? Can we get it?
You like it? You like it? Songs. Hindi pa pagod si na Lolo.
Alam mo anong team song ko kay Lolo?
Ano?
Ano, yung kay Ding Dong.
Ano?
Avanzado, yung luma. Basta't kasama kita, lahat maganda.
At pwede.
Wala na yata. Hindi na dati kayo.
Oh, ito no.
My battery is still 80%.
Ah, 80%. Oh guys, 80% pa daw ang battery ni Lolo. Lolo, stop.
Oo, alam ko dati dito siya.
Oo nga eh. Ay, wow, Ninja Turtles. Yung display pa de oh. So after nila mag shopping sa IKEA, nabudol silang lahat. We're going sa SM MOA naman eh. Tatawid ka lang naman eh. So punta kami doon. Kita Mags, nabudol ka? Sa IKEA? Nabudol.
70 lang, naging 2-4.
Ay, totoo. Nakita ko kanina yung roller lang yung umpisa eh. Ayun. Narinig yung si Tita Max yung 70 pesos naging 2-4. Budol nga. Bye, Ate Malu. Sulat ka, Ate Malu. Kahit si Ate Malu nabudol sa IKEA. Oo nga. Yes. Sila yung kausap mo kanina, ano?
Kami sa Bicol yun yan.
Oh, marami pa sa lubong. So, kayo sa mga Bicol dyan, abang-abang lang kayo taga Bicol. Gusto nyo ba? Lager to ba? Nagbabarilan na. Ay, tatlo tayong meron. Oo nga. Oo nga.
Mayabang, mayabang.
Oo nga. Oy, DJI. Sponsor nyo.
Si Karomi.
Who's that one? Rokomi. Rokomi, no?
Ito na lang, ito na lang. Ito na lang pakita mo.
Lola is social. Naka-shades. So, tapos naman na sila namili sa mga girls. We're here sa SM again. But this one, I think it's a pure department store.
Okay. Say,
Yung
I
video,
don't know.
Lola. Look at Lola. Oh.
Lola
So
the
relaxed.
boss. Lola the boss. Diba Lola the boss?
Nakauwi na kami. Galing ng IKEA. So dahil nagutom, nag-Jollibee. Ay, Kuya Gab na pagod. Nag-Jollibee. Yeah, bida ang saya. Bida ang saya. After ng pamatay din pa rin ang Jollibee. Siya pa rin ang pamatay. Pagkatapos ng lahat ng gutom.
Oo nga.
Ali, kaya ka no, Chisil. Actually, yan daw yung dyan. Walang Swedish meatballs. O, mag-local na ka pa. Hey, ladies. Hey, ladies. How's the yardstick? How's the yardstick?
Para mamaya
How's the yardstick? Oh, ba't di pa kayo kumain?
Mas masarap yung siguro yung kay Kuya.
Hindi, may bure. Manyaman niya.
Hindi, sea salt parang basic lang to. Yung kay Kuya parang specialty.
Now I know ba't mahal din siya.
Sharp ulit yung ano.
Now I know ba't mahal.
Yung beans.
Kasi hindi siya pipitsugin na ano.
Yung beans niya malasahan.
Maano nga,
It's
masarap.
rich.
Oh.
Gusto kong tikman yung kay Yana.
Ano ba yung kay Ate Hana? Ano ba yung sa'yo?
Christmas magic.
Christmas magic. Tapos na yan. Okay, go, girls.
Lasang ano?
How's the taste?
Lasang Christmas.
Lasang Christmas. Gingerbread. So that's a yardstick. Ay, a yard. Yo, tama, yardstick, diba? How about yours, ate?
Mine is, you guess, what's my drink?
Spanish.
Tito, you guess what's my
Ay, white chocolate.
No.
Ang tingin ko? Mocha.
No! I
Ice
drink
chocolate.
coffee.
Ice chocolate.
Yes.
Sarap naman.
Yes. You want taste?
Thank you. Ano yung unboxing, girls? Unboxing ba yan? Can I check out yung Ate Chelsea?
Malungkot siya.
Bakit ba yan?
Hindi ako.
Ate yan, ha?
Ay, naka-ano sa akin, wait.
Hindi pa in-open? Wow! Ano na ito niyan? Ay!
Stand siya, di ba? May stand siya. May stand siya?
Asan sa'yo, Moe?
Bukas yung paa niya.
Ba't ang cute ng dog sa ulo?
It's a cat.
Cat?
Yeah.
Okay. What? Are you ready to ano? Ay, the dancing, dancers.
Makakatulog na yan sa likod. Kakaroon na rin bakit.
Siyempre, bawal maputok, lolo.
Malayo pa.
One note.
Malayo pa.
Tayo yung mga ano.
Oh, you're going to ride a golf cart? So guys, Sasakay kami ng golf cart.
Ang golf cart ba to?
Ay, service. Hello, sir. So, papunta kami ng pool. Okay, hi guys. We're here. Oh, ayun na. So, we're going to the pool. So, swimming na kami guys. Malamig. Malamig na. Dahil na kami mag-swimming, babalik na sa room. Pero si Lolo and Martina and the girls will try the jacuzzi. So dinner time. After namin mag-swimming, pagod na lahat. Dinner time. I wonder kung saan kami kakain. Sabi na Panda Express daw. So we're going to eat sa Panda Express. Okay. Where are we going to eat? Tayo lahat pala yung sa pila eh, no? Tayong lahat sa pila. Oh! Thank you, Lala. That's Martina's fortune cookie. Time to reveal.
Already.
You're upset.
Can I read it?
Again. Loud.
Siyempre, favorite.
Become a catalyst for change. Hirap naman.
May I see? May I see? Your positivity will become a catalyst for change. Wow, yung message ni Martina, nosebleed. Thank you.
Here, Daddy. This one.
Another one?
Kay Ate Nico, you will get married next time.
Okay, Ate Miko. Sige. We need to see Ate Miko's fortune cookie. Go, Ate Miko. It's a message. Martina, you should eat it.
Your happy secret will reach and you.
Your happy secret will reach new and worthy ears. Ears niya. Your happy secret.
Your happy secret will
Rich.
reach new and worthy ears.
Ears ni Martina. Artista. So alam mo natin, Miko, no, may pagmamanahan, no?
So good.
Ay, wow! Yummy. Kuya Kiang. Ay, ito na. Hoy. Kita siya. Oh. Approve. It's approved for Tita Jen. Lala. Oh, thank you, Lala. May nagti-TikTok. What are you eating?
There's enough space for Alice to practice
Oh,
dancing.
yeah.
Now, let's check out the awesome results.
Oreo and?
Alice's tiny bedroom could barely fit
Oh
her bed.
man, it should be Oreo and
Her do
pizza.
homework by the bay window every-
Hi guys, nagre-ready na kami for checkout. Merong ginawa namin, una na kami naglagay ng mga bagahe namin sa sasakyan para mamaya mas konti na lang bubuhatin. So outfit check. Mommy is wearing pink and I'm wearing yellow. Tingin ko nga, harap ka nga dito. Outfit check daw, Mommy. Come on, turn around. Oh. Ang bilis ng tatlong araw. Sabi nga daw ni Lola, ano ka sabi niya? Extend pa daw. So si Lola na yung nagsabing extend. Ma'am, isang ano po, spam and egg na sandwich.
Anything else?
And isa pong ano, ma'am, may coffee na ice americano, ma'am, pero pwedeng ano po siya, ma'am, pwedeng one shot.
Pwede yun.
Sige pa.
Ice American.
Yes, please.
Anything else?
Okay na po yan. Ayaw mo ng isang donut.
Ayoko.
Even just a small one. Wow, thank you, Randy Donuts. Hop. Thank you, Randy Donuts. Okada, Manila. Ternong-terno sa kape. Good morning, Lola.
Say hi, Lola.
Good morning, Lola. Mulita na me. Mulita no.
Sabi ni Lola, mag-extend pa ng 3 days, ha?
Yeah! Manya-manyit ang kama kaya ni me malambu ya. Malambu ni man pala de. Today's the last day. Ang bilis ng... Mabilis.
Daddy bitin.
Sabi nga daw ni Lola, iwan muna natin kasi daw extend daw, sabi ni Lola.
There is nothing we should be afraid of. Right,
Ay,
Steve?
wow.
Go.
Ay, bata sipag naman ito.
We have to make up for her quizzes.
Lola! Lola is riding a cart again. Universal! Hi guys! Sa BGC guys. Sa BGC. Hi, so we're going sa Juan Bonifacio muna daw. Wow.
Daddy,
Oh, what?
what
Of this one?
Nice, oh, I can do it.
Hi guys, so we're here na sa parking. Is this ano na? Is this one BGC na yan? One mismo na to, pag-akyat natin. So we're here na. Hello guys, ito na, nagkakapaan na sa BGC. We're walking, Tita Mitch.
Yes, we're a group of 30.
Yes, and naghahanapan.
Magkakasama. Mga group of other 15, wala pa.
Yeah, so naghahanapan kami guys. Hi, baby Bree. Hi, baby Bree. Bree in BGC. Go, picture. Ay, artista. Ay, artista. Mario Joseph. Anak ko.
Martina, kayahin mo si Jenny sa likod. Upo ka dyan. You know, Jenny.
Oh, you're like that one. You're like Jenny. Jennifer Sevilla.
Para ka lang nagpupupo eh. No?
Uy, ate mo, we pass by. Wow. So guys, ito daw yung parang sinasabi nilang ano dito sa 1BGC is si Yon. Ay, ang ganda. Kala mo totoo siyang 3D. Oh, ano lang yan guys. Tignan mo, oh. Kala mo part ng building yan, no? Ano lang yan? Screen. Ano tawag doon? Widescreen. It's a widescreen. Tingnan mo. Kala mo 3D talaga guys, no? Loko, may banayay soy. Oh. Sige. Let's check it out. Ba't pa nagmumubo? Kala mo talagang 3D siya guys. Pero ayun, no, nagiba na. Nakita nyo, ano lang siya? LED na monitor. Hi guys. Smartina. So tatawid kami dito.
2 o'clock and we haven't eaten our
2 o'clock.
lunch, almost 2 o'clock.
Hi guys, so we're busog. Done eating. We're busog. Busog? Busog din ako. Busog.
Thank you, Lolo.
Yes, thank you Lolo. Thank you. Thank you Lolo.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Busog-lusog.
Thank you, Lolo.
Next month ulit sa February 28.
Happy anniversary.
Hi, Martina.
But don't send it to Ate Faye.
What about it to Ate Faye? About, anong di sasabihin kay Ate Faye?
Remember in Malaysia,
Oh, what happened?
I was done, yeah.
Don't.
Don't send it. Hindi pa kayo, like na gano'n?
Hindi, nag-Mary Grace na kami, pero sikat na. Sikat yung hot chocolate sa Mary Grace.
Ang hot chocolate yung ano? Okay. Mary Gracia. Hi, are we going to buy coffee? Yeah, I want to eat cookies and coffee and sandwiches. So it's our turn. Yes. Tatakas muna. Yes, boys night out. Kuya Jello, Kuya Julian, Kuya Gian, and Kuya Jello in the house. And Kuya So, pupunta daw. Anong pangalan? Ano? VIP Lounge. My goodness. I love the sound of it. VIP. So, meron si Kuya Jello ng what do you call this? Sex on the beach. Na cocktail. Gamis. Loko.